Welcome to Super Talks. This is my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the top 5 mobile processor companies list and their different Qualcomm and Bionic different chipsets. Okay, let's go to the video. We will know about mobile phones because everyone wants a smartphone these days, and mobile phones are also become mandatory for all us. During this video, we are getting to discuss the heart of the mobile smartphone processor or SoC. SoC means system on chip, and discuss different types of mobile processor companies. We will know about mobiles, but many of us don't know which type of processor or SoC is present within the smartphones. My point of view, you better to know that the process, so which processor you in your mobile, so you better to idea that what type of it's capable of speed, work, camera, battery, everything. So mobile phones are a mixture of both hardware and software. Within the hardware, one among the main parts, processor, which is beneficial to the processing speed of each task. We neutralize the smartphone. So, what is the smartphone processor? That means SoC. In computers or laptops, we are using the CPU. I think you already know that central processing unit, which consists of a chip or a processor. But in mobile phones, we are using GPU. That means graphics processing unit, which is an octa-core processor based processor or chipset. Even some processors came with dual core, quad core, hexa core also. But the manufacturing companies majorly use the octa-core based process because of which suggests that they have advanced and very powerful chips. Even octa-core means 8 cores. 8 cores are 8 chips are CPUs, and therefore the manufacturers sets the clock speed of every core to the requirements of mobile manufacturing companies. And therefore the speed of the mobile depends on the clock speed of the those 8 cores. Manufacturers are use some powerful cores and a few low power cores also. This processor consists of billions of transistors within the size of nanometers. We saw 14 nm, nm means nanometer, 10 nm, 7 nm and 5 nm, 3 nm. Under manufacturing that we may even see 5 nm within the coming years also. Present 7 nm mobile processor used in the flagship mobiles. You already know that flagship mobiles, so most probably flagship mobile 7 nm most probably used. 1 nanometer means or one part during a billion or 1 billionth part. Just imagine how much it, which suggests a really very small size of transistors are utilized in these chips, and every one of these SoCs come with 64-bit CPUs. Not just one or two companies are manufacturing these mobile processors, but numerous companies are manufacturing these processors. Some major smartphone companies or brands also are during this list. So we will discuss and we will cover on the system chips or smartphones in a different video. Let's go to our major top 5 processor companies related. Mainly there are two types of operating systems present in the smartphones. One is, you already know that, iOS and Android. And the processors or chipsets for these two operating systems are different from each other. So let's talk about the first one. It's called Apple. It's a US company and its chip is called Bionic. Okay, it's Bionic chip. iOS or iPhones are completely different from Android phone software and hardware also. iPhones have their own software and own hardware parts. So processors in iPhones are manufactured by Apple only. and that they named their SoC, that means chipset, Bionic. It's a series chips, and they are very far most powerful chips within the mobile world, and that they are use ARM Cortex CPU cores in their processors. So within the present mobile market, Apple Bionic chips are the best chips in terms of performance and benchmarks also. Bionic chips are also very good for gaming. So Apple Bionic chips are fastest processor in mobile phone. That's why they are considered as the best Android phone. But so many of us are using Android mobiles. So many of people are using Android. Android is the very simple. So this way, different due to numerous reasons. Therefore, the market share of Android is quite an iPhone and Android mobile manufacturer more in number. Therefore, the number of SoC manufacturers for Android is additionally more in number. Apple makes the world best processor phone till now. They made great hardware as well. We all know that software. So the more Apple Bionic chips we will discuss in a different video. So let's move on to our second. Our second one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets. Qualcomm is the top mobile processor manufacturing company within the world. Then many Android mobiles are using the Snapdragon named Qualcomm chipsets. These Snapdragon chips are using the ARM Cortex GPU with high-powered Creo cores in their chipsets. And these Snapdragon processors have powerful Adreno GPU compared with the other chipsets. So therefore, the performance of these chips also excellent and best for gaming. Snapdragon processors are the best mobile Android phones in Android category. Okay. In Qualcomm also there is a new upper mid-range chipsets. Latest it's upper mid-range chipset is called a 7 series, like Snapdragon 750G, 765G, 775G. If you all remember, this is the 5G rated chipsets. They are also good in performance and they come at low price also compared with the flag chipsets. So this is our second. So let's go to our third one. The third one is MediaTek SoC. Okay, so this is also a mobile manufacturing company, and therefore these chips are not powerful because of the Bionic and Qualcomm chips, and compared to the Bionic and Qualcomm chips, but they provide us the decent performance, and the price of the chips is low compared with the Qualcomm chipset. And MediaTek recently started their new series for the gaming mobiles at mid-range price category recently. Okay, so recently that means they are also launched 5G series on Dimensity named chipset. It's called a Dimensity. In Dimensity also we have a video. I will cover total Dimensity series 700 to 1100 1200 chipsets. Okay, they are very good at performance. Now this MediaTek also provides some best value for money chipset in this mobile market. Helio SoC is also used the octa-core ARM Cortex CPU cores and Mali GPU. The chips are also good for gaming, but some heating issues are faced by using the chipset. This Helio also one of the. There is a two different chipsets. Helio based one is the Dimensity is a different one. So these two will cover under the chipsets MediaTek. So let's talk about the fourth one. Fourth one is HiSilicon Kiron SOEs. My favorite this one, because of I am the Huawei user, Huawei mobile, so I have to know that this one. These Kiron chips are seen in Huawei and Honor mobiles, and they manufacture their own SoC named Kiron. And the chips also are very powerful, but not compared to Qualcomm. So not compared to Qualcomm. Kiron is using the ARM Cortex based CPU with high powered cores and Mali GPU. Therefore, the GPU performance is not powerful at Qualcomm SoC, but performance feat in Kiron chips. They also compete with Qualcomm SoC in terms of benchmarks. But after in the ban of the US, Huawei products are not much used globally, but in China still Huawei is the top smartphone brand. It will available in Europe countries. Even my brother staying in UK is using a Huawei phone, He likes that, and even I am also using the Honor phone. That means Hawaii Honor is the child companies like that. So we will talk about the next one, fifth one. Our list, the final one is Samsung Exynos. Samsung is the leading mobile market share within the world, and that they manufacture their own SOEs named Exynos process. These XYs are not very much like powerful because of the above chips, but the day-to-day performance is sweet and the chips are not much used to gaming also. Samsung majorly focus on display and camera compared to with other manufacturing mobiles. In order to they are using Exynos chips is their mobiles. But in some countries, just like US, they launched Snapdragon process due to taxes, and therefore the people in such countries do not buy the mobiles with weak chipsets for gaming and heavy performance. Please remember this point because in India they are launching Exynos process. Nowadays they are even launching a Snapdragon processor. They are think like that we are the bunch of the people who will buy anything without knowing the chipsets. So you better to all know that the chipsets. So afterwards, whenever you are purchasing, you have to compare with them very easily. The Exynos also come with octa-core ARM Cortex CPU cores and Mali GPU. The recent Samsung chipset also good performance compared to with the last generations of Exynos chipsets. In the future, more improvements Exynos chipsets in the near future. So this is our last one. These are the main smartphones, chipset manufacturing companies and their details. So before buying the mobile, just take a glance at the system on chipset first, because processor chipset is the heart of any mobile, then remaining all. So you must know the chipset. So your mobile performance and speed are predicted on these processors, our chipsets, our SOEs only, and also RAM and storage utilized in the mobile. Not only hardware components but also in the software is very important in a mobile phone for a smooth experience. You must choose between Android or iOS before going to buy a new mobile phone. So whether it is stock Android or custom UI or Android one, it also makes some difference in long-term usage. So you better to buy a best smartphone with a best processor. Thank you all.